Ladies and gentlemen, today I wanted to show you some footage that I took of a drone flying over my grandma's grave. And that's of course a joke. Hopefully you guys had a great holiday and a great Christmas if you celebrate. And if not, hopefully you had a good week so far. Before we get started, if you like this kind of content, I have been documenting for a couple months now, me trying to sell some options for some extra income. And just see if I can get it to work. And if that sounds like something you would enjoy, please consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any videos in the future. In my last video, I talked about how I was going to try to sell a call option under the price that I acquired the underlying security. In this case, that underlying security is the ETF MSTX. And unfortunately for me, in all of my wisdom, I sold a put on MSTX at near its peak at $105, and that ended up getting assigned to me, so I had to purchase 100 shares of MSTX, which is a double leveraged MSTR ETF, at an average cost of $105. You can see the total return here, not too good. So what I wanted to do and what I wanted to experiment with is, can I sell calls on this under $105, try to make some profit while I wait for the stock, if it does, to recover. And so if we look right now, expiring tomorrow because it is Thursday night, and we go down closer to the current price, if I don't think it's going to get to $75 by tomorrow evening, I can go ahead and make $45 in premium selling this call. However, this is very risky because if it is above $75, let's say Bitcoin takes off for some reason, and this stock takes off, and it goes way above $75, then I have to roll out this call way out in advance to try to recover from it going up, since I sold this call at $75. So there's the risk and then there's the reward. So my game plan is, and was, we'll see an example here, if I'm going to do this, try to sell it semi-close to the price that I acquired at. So if we look at next week, and we look at maybe this $90 strike call that'll expire next Friday, I can make what looks like around $100 if things were to play out tomorrow to look like this. And if this were to get assigned, I would be down $1,500. So like I said, I would try to roll it farther in expiration at a higher strike price, maybe make some premium doing so, and then that way I'm not selling at such a huge loss of $1,500. And that's what I did. On Wednesday, the market was open until 1 p.m. and I went ahead and we look at my spreadsheet here, which, by the way, quick plug, I am selling the spreadsheet if you would like to help out the channel and hopefully get something that you find useful as well. I'll have a link in the description. There's a coupon code PUTS, which you can enter, and it's currently 50% off if you use that coupon code. And yeah, like I said, it helps out the channel. I really appreciate it. For those of you that bought it already, I really do appreciate it. It means the world to me. But you can see on this line 15, I sold a call on MSTX. I made $90 in premium. I sold it at a strike price of $85. And today I bought it back to close for $10. So I profited $80 from selling this call in just a matter of a couple days. And like I said, this is something I can do while I wait for the stock to recover. It worked out this time. Is it going to work out every time? I don't know. That's why I document these things. So if you're ever interested and curious if these strategies work, you can watch these videos and kind of take a lesson out of my book. And then also today I sold a put on Robinhood. The market started off in the red a little bit, so I went ahead and sold this put at $38.50. It expires this Friday. I got $20 in premium, and right now it's currently worth $4. So I could buy it close for $4. It wouldn't be assigned, obviously, because it's above the strike price. And I would profit $16 because I would keep that difference in premium. And then what would I do with that premium, you may ask? Well, I'd probably buy SoFi stock, which, by the way, is the reason the portfolio is pretty much back to all-time highs, is because of SoFi. I think we closed around 1650, 1660. I sold a couple calls on SoFi that expired tomorrow at a strike price of 16. So if things hold up above 16, I'm going to have to sell 200 shares at $16, which is good because something I want to do is start trading the wheel on some of my SoFi shares, because right now it's currently making over 50% of my portfolio. And that's due to me just having a lot of shares and it going up in value, and also me purchasing more shares from selling puts. So if I could trim it a little bit out of this portfolio to kind of de-risk myself, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not sure if I'll be able to make a video tomorrow. I got some family coming over, but if not, I'll definitely make a video sometime this weekend to talk about if these calls got assigned, or maybe I just pull an audible and push one of these calls out an expiration at a higher strike price, trying to make some more capital appreciation. Who knows what I'll decide, but of course I'll go ahead and share that with you. And like I said, if you're interested in purchasing the spreadsheet, helping out the channel, and getting something useful if you are looking to sell options as well, please check it out in the description. All of the coupon code information will be down there, and I do appreciate it. And yeah, I hope to see you in a future video.